Greetings, plant enthusiasts. Today we're venturing into the enchanting world of Selaginella, specifically the Lacy spike moss, a fascinating member of the plant kingdom with a story deeply rooted in ancient greenery. Originating from tropical and subtropical regions worldwide, this plant is celebrated for its delicate and intricate foliage. The Lacy spike moss has been thriving on Earth for millions of years. This remarkable plant showcases feathery, lacy leaves that create a dense, moss-like carpet. The intricate foliage and vibrant green color make the Lacy spike moss a visually appealing ground cover or container plant, adding a touch of ancient elegance to gardens and terrariums. To thrive, the Lacy spike moss prefers well-draining soil, indirect light, and consistent moisture. It adapts well to both indoor and outdoor environments, making it a versatile choice for various garden settings. Maintaining high humidity levels is essential for the optimal growth of this ancient green gem. For companion planting, consider pairing the Lacy spike moss with other shade-loving plants in terrariums or in shaded garden areas. This creates a lush green landscape reminiscent of ancient forest floors, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of your green space. Primarily grown for its ornamental value, the Lacy spike moss is perfect for adding a touch of greening to shaded areas. While not known for its medicinal purposes, its delicate appearance make it a favorite for terrarium enthusiasts and lovers of ancient plant varieties. Its ancient lineage, delicate foliage, and adaptability make it a cherished choice among plant enthusiasts. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of plants. Until next time, may your green spaces thrive, and may the Lacy spike moss transport you to the ancient realms of botanical beauty. Farewell and happy gardening.